Hey, Spongy.
Yeah.
Nice to be back.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Now, I don't normally do this, but here's a welcome back gift.
Whoa, thanks.
It's a friendship bracelet. Try it on.
New material? Let me get that down on paper.
You look amazing, Spongy.
Thanks, Coco.
But today, you can't win me over that easily.
Come on! Why, Spongy, you're not me! No, Raging Flower. It's elimination time. But didn't the other team lose? Oh yeah. Oopsie. So, four-color team, you disappointed my own color last time by losing the contest. Shame! Whichever team ever got the fewest votes will leave the show.
I thought it was whoever got the most votes.
Well, we're changing it up.
And why?
You promised me no more screeching!
Oh, right. Sorry, Lolly.
Oh, she's not working out. Maybe she needs more patting? More comforting pats.
X will reveal the 6 of you who are safe, one by one.
That's my job!
Oh, I'm so nervous! Bubble! It's pronounced nervous. Say it with me. Nervous.
Nervous?
There you go.
Leafy got the most votes from fans at 11,000 out of the total 51,000!
Yay! I'd like to thank my family and friends who supported me along the way. And Fiery and...
No speeches. Your prize is this duct tape.
Teardrop, who cannot talk, is safe, and Lollipop, who also cannot talk, is also safe! Bubble and Jelly are safe!
Hooray! Now I'm not nervous anymore.
Hey, Gelatin, that's not fair!
You know what, Bubble? Accents? They can change.
Oh no, I'm feeling so much pressure again. This is not good.
Sorry, Mommy, did I do a no-no again?
Balloony! Ruby! One of you will be eliminated today, leaving us with our final 13! Who's it gonna be?
Well, tell us already. I don't like all this waiting.
I could wait longer.
Oh, alright. Bye, you guys. I enjoyed my stay. Now, suck me up for...
Oh. There aren't any empty spots left in the exit.
In that case, where are you going to send me?
We're gonna send you here!
Whoa, this is kind of spooky. Well, goodbye, fellow contestants. Oh, here I go.
For where are you sending Balloon Boy? I hope he'll be okay.
He's going to BRB.
Oh, he's going to be right back? That's a relief.
In the meantime...
Hey guys, I missed the elimination! Balloony, can you give me a recap?
Bubble, look up.
So, this means you got eliminated?
Yeah, this is awkward.
No! We're getting you back, Looney! I'm gonna catch you brick by brick!
Why? She's on our team.
Well, then are you going to help her?
Also now.
I volunteer to take her down.
You two hives of righteousness must not waste energy fighting. Unless it's in a fairly mediated competition. protect and another to destroy.
I think I see some rocks you can use. But yeah, the first team to get their tower knocked down loses. Go, go, go!
You really went for that one, huh?
Yes.
Okay, four-colored friendos, we're down one member from the other team. So if we want to win, we'll have to put our heads together. Last time I tried that, I died.
I say we impersonate and infiltrate. Their tower doesn't stand a chance if we can get inside it.
Good plan. But who do we impersonate? It can't be Loser. Last time I impersonated him, I got arrested and put on probation.
Oh, I know just the person. Guess whose merch I bought when we went shopping?
Whoa, Loser! It's so cozy in this new tower!
I agree. 4 makes me so proud.
Who could that be?
It's me, Flower.
No, Bubble, you're Bubble.
Yeah, Bubs. Why did you think they'd believe that? You have to talk the flower way, like this. Ooh.
What? Lollipop, you're trying to trick us too?
Hey, it's me, Flower.
Oh my gosh, Flower, the worst thing just happened. Bubble and Lollipop tried to impersonate you.
Wow, some people are just so vicious.
What? Why? Fiery! That's Gelatin right there. He's impersonating me too. Nice try, imposter, but I know my friend Flower when I see her. Wait, Fiery considers me a friend? Whoever you are, your flower costume isn't very convincing. Where'd you buy these petals? Gelatin's fake house? No, I don't shop there. I picked a more fashionable store than that.
But you bought them at a store, huh? Your little stick is over, Bub. Or should I say, Dora?
This is ridiculous. I'm not Dora.
Good riddance.
Blocky, help me out! Toss this rock into the other team's tower!
Whatever you say!
Well, that was a try, at least.
Hey, maybe you shouldn't have given me the world's heaviest rock!
The other team stole our idea!
3, 2, 1, toss!
Four-colored team. More like much smaller team.
Flower, I thought we signed a truce to the insulting war of 19.
Quit blabbering and help me push these rocks! Oh gosh, X, you can move out of the way.
We're falling behind! Where's Lollipop, or Bubble, or even Gelatin?
We're back.
Yeah, Gelatin's still undercover. Great job, team. You guys are back so fast. And I bet Gelatin's destroying the other team's tower super well.
Flower, you gotta be kidding me! You're not doing any work?
Neither is your deodorant.
I got a new plan. Loser, what are you doing? That's my favorite. Oh. Now watch this.
Ooh! Ah!
Hey, Fiery, got anything sharp?
Well, I found this coiny slapping glove from years ago, and it's kind of sharp.
Perfect. Now watch this. Okay, X-colored friends, climb up here. If we cross the bridge, we can destroy the other tower. Isn't that a wonderful plan?
Yeah!
It's just my duty to give you guys the best possible.
Loser! Look, they're coming.
Alright, anyone on our team got the guts to go across first? Woody, you wanna do it? That sounds like a yes to me! Go!
Who's next? Who's next?
Dora, what are you doing here?
Oh, for pickle's sake!
Teapot contestants do not belong in this battle arena! Don't look down, Woody. Just look forward. Forward is safety. Forward is safety.
Whatever, I guess.
Whoa, that was crazy. Am I the only one left on this thing?
That's a no from me.
Please, don't fall off.
Whoa!
Hey, Leafster! What are you waiting for? Go do your thing! Go fight!
This is a little weird, isn't it?
I would like to pass. I don't like fighting.
There's no time for passing. Force clock is almost up.
What if we fake fight?
That's not gonna cut it.
Leafy's fake fighting and real fighting look the same to me.
Look, I'm doing jumping jacks. Cool, right?
Not cool at all.
Pew, 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 pew. Ha! This roof could use a remodel, but it's doable. Who built this? Wait, this is not doable. Oh my gardener!
I'm punching fiery! I'm punching fiery!
No, you're punching the air.
See? He's retreating in fear. Wait, why is he retreating?
Whoa!
Time's up! The four-colored team's tower was significantly shortened. However, the X-colored team's hut no longer exists. So their team automatically loses. Because the four-colored team has a place to live, they are the have-hots. Because the X-colored team doesn't, they are the have-nots.
Hello, Lollipop. Get in, buddy.
About time you showed up.
All right, Pop Pop.
Don't call me that.
The radio's broken, so I just thought I'd sing for you. La la la, driving with my friend. This is so much fun.
Enough of that. No more singing. Today, tomorrow, ever. I hate it.
Hey, Leafy, come on in. Hi, Woody. La la la, driving with my friend. La la la, driving with my friend.
Get
La, la,
me
la,
out of
driving with
here.
my friend.
Somebody help.
With my friend. La la la,